Hey guys, now I'm alone and in my house, and I've been hearing weird noises upstairs. And every time I'm it's just me and one of my brothers. Oh, I'm completely alone. I would hear weird noises, and it could be my cat, but I think my cat is on my parents' bed, on my dad's side of their bed, and underneath the blanket. I'm gonna check. Um, see. Wait a minute, Zoe. I'll let you out in a second. Just need to check. So let's see. You hear the noises? I'm not sure if you guys heard that. I heard another weird noise. I should record this on my phone because it would be easier. Wait, okay. Okay, that noise was me, but okay. See, see, guys, my cat is over here. She's over here. So that could not have been her. I don't know what those noises were. This couldn't have been Mystic because she's on my dad's side of my parents. She's on my dad's side of the bed, so it can't be. There is no way that it's my cat. So I don't know what those noises are being caused by. It's creepy. I mean, it's really creepy because every time it's just me and one of my brothers or just me in the house, I would hear weird noises up here. And it's weird. It creeps the crap out of me. It's creepy. I don't know why that happens. Um, I don't know, it's creepy. And it makes me feel like I'm not alone in the house. Well, I guess I'm not alone since my dogs and my cat are in the house. But I mean, I'm the only human being in here at least. And it creeps me out. I mean, I hope I'm the only human being in here because it creeps me out in here. I don't know if it's paranormal or someone, a creep is in my house, or this is just weird noises. I don't know what the noises are being caused by. They have to be caused by something. I mean, it's weird, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Love, comment, subscribe, and